a message will keep it at the top of your chat list, ensuring that you can quickly and easily retrieve it whenever you need to. You are able to pin your individual chats as well as those in groups, which is a very helpful feature. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to pin chats on Telegram. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Telegram app on your device. Here you can see all the chat list. Long press on the chat you will like to pin. Tap on the pin icon from the above bar. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to pin chats on Telegram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.